everyone. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I contour, blush and highlight my face. So I've already done my makeup, my eyebrows, my lashes. Well, I didn't put falsies because I only put falsies if I'm going out, but in this case I'm quarantining and staying at home. But so let's get started. Let me get settled. Okay, so let's get started with how I contour and make my face look sharper. Let's get started. Okay, so the first one, the contour palette I'm using is from Profusion Blush and Bronzer. So first I'm going to take a very peachy color and I am just going to focus on just halfway through my cheekbone on this side. And you have to use very light hand and just make sure you're not coming closer to your jawline. You can see the difference, what I mean, doing the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to go with a clean brush and then just smudging it in a circular motion so there's no harsh line. And this one is very neutral peachy tone. And now I'm going to take a bronzer. It's a little darker tone. I'm using the same brush, and then with that I'm going to go a little lower than the one I have just put. And for this one we can go more towards ear and then come back and forth in a stroke. And the reason why I'm holding the brush like that because I want the density. Now going a little shade darker and just going right where my earlobes are, very close to my ears, so the face looks very slender. Going back with the clean brush, smudging it in, making sure there's no harsh line. Now I'm going to take a very rosy peachy color, and that I'm just going to put it on top of my apple of the cheeks. So for that you're gonna smile and then just dab. Here is the cheek part of it. I also like to highlight my forehead, my templates, and then my jawline. And then for that I'm going to use the same brush, but I'm taking the darker tone color and I'm just going around my jawline to make it a little bit. Do you see the difference between this and this? This looks a little tucked in. This looks a little down. That's what I'm talking about. It is beautiful to have your jawline contoured if you want slender and thinner face. Same here. And now I'm going to do it on my forehead. I have okay forehead. It's not too big, not too small, but I still like to have narrower. So I'm just going to use on my templates. And that's it. After that, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. Dry a little, not all the way, and then I'm going to use the highlighter, and the highlighter I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And for my highlighter, I know it's old-fashioned, but I still like to use the fan brush for my highlighter. And the color I'm going to use is Starburst and Crushed Pearls together, and I'm just dabbing it and then going with this. So I get the product on the middle of the brush, dab it, and then using the front part, the white part, I just blend it and then just go down. This shine can blind somebody. Same over here. The reason why I don't like to dry my face all the way is because if you make it dry, then you will see the patches of highlighter, and those ones are not, I really don't like those. Once the whole face is done, I like to take a big fluffy brush and then just go all around my face. If there's any harsh line, that just goes away. I have not contoured my nose. That will be another video. And that's the contoured look. And I really hope you guys like it. If you do, please give it a like, thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.